Specialty whitening toothpaste for sensitive teeth. Sensitive Teeth Toothpaste provides 24/7 sensitivity protection with twice daily brushing. Maximum strength FDA-allowed anti-sensitivity active ingredient. Glycerin used to help hydrate the mouth. Whitening toothpaste with superior stain removal formula. Built increasing protection against future sensitivity with continued twice daily brushing. Freshens breath with fresh mint gel. Helps to restore teeth's natural whiteness with regular brushing versus non-whitening toothpaste. Colgate Sensitive Whitening Toothpaste provides 24/7 sensitivity protection with twice daily brushing. This sensitive teeth toothpaste contains potassium nitrate, clinically proven to soothe the nerves and expose dentin. With regular use, it provides long-lasting sensitivity relief and removes surface stains to help keep teeth whiter and brighter, with regular brushing versus non-whitening toothpaste. Plus, Colgate Sensitive Whitening Toothpaste helps repair weakened enamel, protect teeth from cavities and provides the freshness you trust from Colgate. Top reviews from the United States. I can enjoy food again. My gums used to burn and sting when I eat cold foods. I just couldn't bear it anymore, so I went to the dentist. Thank goodness it's not cavities, but my dentist said I have sensitive teeth and gums. She recommended me this toothpaste and within 2 days I started seeing results. Colgate to the rescue. I can enjoy food again.